no matter the challenges you face. I know in West Pokot there are challenges of FGM, early marriages, that's forced marriages, teenage pregnancies, but please, tujichunge kama wasichana, wavulana wasitudanganye, si ndio? If anything happens to you, wataendelea na masomo, ubaki peke yako. So msikubali wavulana wadanganye. You do your best in your academics, in your school, and I think one of the greatest things I've seen here today from all of us is the talent. The talent, my goodness. The talent you have in the arts. That's the one that will take you far. So even as you work on your academics and your education, me, I didn't get an A, sitawadanganya, mi sikupata A. But because of my love for the young people, I'm standing before you today. So apart from your academics, yes, mtie bidii, but there are so many other things that will create opportunities for you, including this talent you've shown today. So make sure you also invest in your talent. Kama uko mzuri kwa sports, whatever it is, make sure you put your effort there as well, because that will also create opportunities for you. And I think they say West Pokot is the land of hidden, sindio? But those hidden treasures are seated right in front of me today. You young people, you're the hidden treasures of this county. So make sure you bring out your talent, your creativity in everything that you do.